isavisa more than 10,000 foreign nationals. Thina sithatha imali yama taxpayers as South Africa siyokwenzela ama foreigners in the informal settlements, and I told them it is not going to happen. Bazokwenza seko umunye MMC ne phela nami ngizokuhlala position ngize ngophuma one day, then that's when they will get the services, but not in such a MMC. I'm not going to service 10,000 foreign nationals, man. And nje ngisho lokho nje even in this meeting on record. So that's why Masio sends my informal settlement. That's why we had to introduce that police, because we need to deal with these criminal activities in the informal settlements. Seriously, our resources are overstretched and they are being wasted, because my informal settlements is service ama tenants of certain leaders, nama officials, nama police, abantu abahola government. Nabantu abanayo imali yokuyothatha ama bonded houses laphana, but babuye bazodemanda izindlu kuhulumeni. And yes, we've got many residents abangenazo indawo zokuhlala and abanawo nemali. Phela we understand ukuthi unemployment rate is too high in the country. So vele kunabantu abangasebenzi abangazifune bevuke ekseni bedleni belale bedlini, bahleli in the informal settlements. But kunzima ukubasiza because igcwele abantu laba who've got financial capabilities to provide for their families. Bavalike iphesimani. That's why man informal settlements ufica ama double stories. Umuntu akancane ikhansela ukwenza double story in informal settlement. Ayikhani double story bese faka ama room abantu bezorenta. Aphinda connect kuma services ka government illegal. Uhleli somewhere unemali, unemonto, uconnecta illegally akawabhadala ama services. So those are the things. So that's why I'm saying ukuthi it was unfortunate ukuthi uma senza leya process ye public consultation with the residents of the informal settlements, i-region did not really participate. And ke enye lezinto I will understand, because enye izinto uma bezenzela umsebenzi belukhuni eSoweto ukuthi kunabantu abacabanga ukuthi, you see, mina will forever prioritize u96. Kufuneka siba abadinga izindlu akusibona kuphela. So we've got the responsibility to deal with informality in Johannesburg and make sure we eradicate all the informal settlements in a form of formalizing, upgrading, or relocating people. So we've got that responsibility. So as I njengaleli qeqebana leli vele licabanga ukuthi uma singakhuluma ngeRDP akufanelanga nje sesivula umlomo wethu. Uma singasawuvula umlomo wethu somthini lo muntu ohlele hostel. Somthini lo muntu ohlele emkhukhwini. Because by responsibility yethu njenge human settlements. So umthini lo hola 3,600 ungaqualify le-RDP house. Because kufuneka siyithola phela indle ezokwazi ukum-accommodate. Ukuze akwazi ukuthi ayo rent kulama low cost rent u600 or 700. Because ngoba including nabo laba bahola 22,000. That's why sinalama bonded houses are subsidized by government kuma mega project, because wonke umuntu masikhanda development ufuneka accommodate. So sathi masithi siyoyenza le program ke Soweto kwayile group anyana encane efuna ukucontest ama elections, abafuna ukucontesta ngegama lami. Bebese begijima bovimba ukusebenza lapha. Kanti thina abanye bethu whether sivotelwe noma sivotelwanga, for so long masi government sakwazi ukudeliver ama services, sakwazi ukushintsha impilo zabantu. Lokho kubalekile kithi ngoba vele initially kwakuze sivotelwe siba ama counseling ngoba sasinga ama community activists. Si advocate le development yemphakathi. Imphakathi yazasenza ama council. Mase singenile si advocate le development yomphakathi, avele nokukhansela basithola sivele sisebenzele imphakathi singatholi lutho. Noma sesiphumile kufuneka si advocate le development yomphakathi. So angifuni abantu besebenzisa igama lami for ukuthi bevotelwe, because mina ngisebenzisa igama lami ukuthi ngivotelwe. So yona into kuyafika silimaza kakhulu eSoweto, and that's why most of our leaders of the informal settlements in Soweto serious abanayo understanding yomsebenzi esifuna ukwenza in terms of managing our informal settlements, formalizing and upgrading our informal settlements.